What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this full lace wig. I actually filmed this twice, so you don't get to see the part where I cut the lace off and all of that, unfortunately. If I have a clip from a previous time that I did that with another wig, I'll add that in, but I didn't get to film that part for this one. So you're just gonna see how I have my hair underneath my wig, what I do to prep my hairline for the wig, and then how I install it. And when I tell you that was the struggle of life, I'm using a new glue, I'm using the Ghost Bond glue now. Previously I was using the Bold Hold, but I wanted to try something different. Not so sure that I'm loving it because it lifts way quicker than the Bold Hold, but the Bold Hold is just super hard to get off. So if I find a glue that I really like, I will definitely let you guys know about that. But let's get straight on into the tutorial and I'll see you guys soon.
Okay guys, so here you just see me taking my hair that I've braided and tucking it under. I don't like to do cornrows because I don't wear my wigs for very long. Next, I'm going in with my alcohol and cleaning up my hairline, getting rid of all the dirt and oil that's left over. You want to have a clean base. Going in with my Bold Hold Skin Protect, putting that in the same spots that I put the alcohol, just cleaning up that hairline, making sure that the area is going to be protected from the glue that I'll be using. My wig caps come from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the bottom bar below. Here I'm just taking my scissors and cutting into the back behind my ear. This is a really good technique to make sure that the areas around your ear are secure. I've struggled a lot in the past getting that spot to stick down, but this is a really great technique. Going in with my Got to Be Free spray. I'm sure you've all seen this before. And then I use my blow dryer on cool and I blow dry it until it's dry. Just be patient. It takes a while. Patience is key. Now we're going to start cutting the wig cap. Be very careful not to cut your skin. I just tucked that little excess cap under. Going back in with my alcohol and a cotton swab, I'm just going to clean up around my hairline one more time. The wig does come with 4 combs. I already clipped out 3 of the combs, the 2 that are on the side and the one that's at the center of the top of the head. I did bleach the knots myself as well. And now we're just going to put the wig on and start seeing how she fits, how I want her to sit on my head. Just making sure that everything is in the right place for when I want to start putting on the glue. I find that when I pull those bits in front of my ear, like where my sideburns would be, it's really helpful to me when I go in and start actually putting the wig on with the glue. Those tabs, I hold them down and I just press them in. You'll see. So this is a 24-inch wig. I'm 5'8", and as you can see, it comes all the way down past my belly button. Mermaid hair. I did not tint the lace on this one. That coloring is just from when I bleached the knots. I also didn't put any powder, foundation, or anything like that on my wig cap. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This time around, I just didn't feel like it. Now I'm going in with my foaming setting mousse, and I'm just going to lay down those flyaways so that nothing's in my way when I go to put on the glue. And now I'm just going to go in with my Ghost Bond glue. I got this off of Amazon. I use this little flat brush to brush it in. Some people like to use a popsicle stick. Some people use their finger. This little brush just works best for me. I do about 2 to 3 layers, waiting for them to dry clear as much as I can in between each layer. And after I brush the glue on, I dip that brush back into alcohol so that I can clean it off in between each layer as well. So this was my third layer and I started to get impatient. So here I'm just using my blow dryer on cool once again, making sure that the glue is nice and tacky and clear. And now we're gonna start laying her down. You see what I mean about using those little bits in front of my ear to kind of pull down the wig and press it in? Having that little bit of hair to hold on to makes it easier for me. At least that's how I like to do it. And now I'm just going to go back in with my glue, and any of the areas where I didn't apply enough, I'm just going to lift slightly, apply a little bit more glue, let that dry, and then I'm going to press those parts in with a rat tail comb. So now I'm just checking, making sure everything is where I want it to be. I'm going to go in with this little pair of tights that I cut up. I like to use this because it's just easier for me. It gets that area right by my ears nice and secure. I do get a little bit of a headache sometimes, but I only wear it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Making sure that the spots by your ears are nice and secure so you don't have any lifting.
Okay guys, so while my hairline is drying and curing, I'm going to flat iron this hair. So this is the wavy texture, I believe. Super beautiful. This is after air drying and then I just brushed it out.
Just going in with my Babyliss flat iron. I got this at Ulta. It was overpriced. Honestly, you do not need this flat iron. I like it more for my natural hair, not so much for my wigs, but this was just the one that was closest to me at the time. I like to drag it through a few times. I don't really care too much if it's like bone straight. I think natural straight is a better look for me, but that's just my personal preference.
Doing a flat ironing tutorial. I'm almost finished.
And now we can take that stocking off. Check out that hairline. She's looking good. Just going in again with a little bit of alcohol on a cotton swab, and I'm going to clean up any areas where I had too much glue.
Alright guys, so as you just saw, that was the tutorial for how I straighten and install my full lace wig from Azul Hair Collection. This is the 24-inch Brazilian loose wavy. It is 130% density and it's pre-plucked with baby hair. So as you saw, I didn't really have to do much to it. This is the second time I've installed this wig, so I didn't film it the first time, unfortunately, so I didn't have any clips of me plucking, but I really only just plucked maybe a little bit right here, and I could have done a little bit more here, but I'm super lazy with the plucking, you guys, and it stresses me out, so I kind of just avoid it as much as I can. It's not that big of a deal to me, so that's that, but this wig, I think it retails for $314. It's the 24-inch. And they do offer sezzle pay, so you can split your payments into 4 separate payments if you don't want to pay it all at once, which is really awesome. They also offer free shipping, which is great. So as you saw, I flat ironed it straight, and I'm actually going to wet it so you guys can see it go back to the natural curl pattern, which is the loose wave. But let me just show you guys. The texture is so nice. It's like pretty much a dead-on match to what my natural hair is like when I straighten it. So let's just start wetting it. I just have some water in a little spray bottle here. I had used a serum when I flat ironed my hair yesterday, a Kenra serum, and I'm probably not gonna do that again. I don't know, I think that serum will work better on my natural hair. I don't really like the way it feels in the wig. I think I'm actually going to just run and wash her real quick, and then I'll be right back so you guys can see what she looks like, because I think I need to just get her fully wet and not just myself. Be right back. All right, you guys, so this is the Azul Hair Collection 24-inch loose wavy full lace wig. After I just washed her, I used Dove Intense Repair Conditioner and no shampoo. Shampoo will ruin your wig, so don't use it. If you don't have to, don't use it. I do have a $5 off link that I will put down in the bottom bar below if you guys would like to check this hair out and purchase it for yourself. I really, really do love this company. I think they have been doing a great job at corresponding with me. If I have any questions, any concerns at all, they're always there to answer right away. And the quality of this hair is really great. It's a great price, great quality hair. They have lots of different options on their site. I do have some kinky straight clip-in extensions that I'm gonna be doing a video for soon also. Maybe I'll get that one done in the next couple of days as well. I've worn those once already and I was like, holy cow, these are awesome. They're gonna be a nice little in-between style for me when I'm not wearing my wigs, but yeah. I love it. So make sure you guys go and check out Azul Hair Collection. I will leave that $5 off link down below. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe so that you can see my next videos. And stay tuned, you guys. I've got some amazing things coming soon. So follow me. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks so much. Bye.